Hey guys, I haven't done a vlog in a really long time and I wanted to vlog today, but I'm running late. So basically the world's going back to normal and I have like my first in-person PR event. I haven't had one in like, I don't know, like the last 2 years. Everything's been on Zoom. So I am heading to the launch event for In Blue. I think they're launching some new products or something. But anyway, we're going to a press breakfast. I thought I'd bring you guys along because I have 2 PR events today. And one of them is at the Curl Bar later, which is Nia's business. I love that girl. I mean, she's just like the cutest little sis ever. But anyway, I'm looking forward to that. And I believe that's in partnership with, I can't remember which brand, but that should be fun. Anyway, as you can see, I'm out of breath. I don't even know how I ended up being late today because I actually woke up ages ago. But I don't know, maybe I had like too many things to get done before I had to leave the house. And then the container that I keep my hair products in literally broke. So all my stuff fell out and then I was trying to sort that out. Couldn't sort it out because I realized what time it was. And the weather's been like really awkward. So I didn't know what to wear either. Anyway, God is good. We're on our way. And it should be fun. I haven't been out and about carrying my camera, vlogging, or talking to my camera in such a long time. So I'm having to get used to people staring at me again. But yeah, my hair is wash and go day, day 4. 4 days wash, 4 day wash and go. I don't know if you can tell because the sun's behind me. Is that better? I don't know if my makeup looks good because I rushed everything, but I'm hoping I look at least decent. I did a really light beat. I was going for something natural, but sometimes I feel like when you're in a rush and you're going for natural, you end up adding more stuff than you would like to. But like I said, I can't really tell. Thank you. So yeah, let's go.
I don't need no brakes. Put the gun in my hand, put it in your face. Nigga bust once, I don't need no trace. Girl in my crib said she need more space. When you put me in the mouth, said she need one taste. Shorty got her bad little body, shorty looking like Riri. Bad like Riri. No wonders why these niggas Pikachu. Niggas tryna take that, niggas won't get that. Put up in your crib, Shorty got 30 for a nigga like me. She told me, baby boy, you so fly, I told her, baby girl, yeah, you talk a lot. Keep the money running like you fuck a lot. She said, cut it out, I said, pour it out. Yeah, my baby girl, just bring that to me. And she get that freaky. Shorty got her bad little body, shorty looking like me.
Yeah. So we just wanted to sort of talk about, 3 words or 3 maybe short sentences about the relationship you feel that you have with your hair and kind of what your hair means to you. Start with Michelle.
So for me, it's a really interesting question because like many relationships, friendships, it's been different and over the years, and I have gone through stages of hating my hair, absolutely hating it, absolutely despising it, but also feeling really, I don't know, scared almost to be myself because of my hair. But I think I've reached a point now where I have embraced it, and that for me, that word embrace, means so much. It's acceptance of myself, acceptance of my hair, acceptance of my heritage, and feeling really confident to go out into the world and show that to everyone. So yeah, I would say love, hate, embrace are my top 3 words.
Just blown out a little bit. Layla's filming because she will not carry last. I'm not carrying last, guys, please. She has no right to carry last, but she was here. She was first. Thank you.
Number one.
Hey guys, so I have come back home. Did I just zoom in or zoom out? Okay, I'm back home, picked up my car, and we're now going to the second event, which is at Curl Bar London, which is owned by Neil. So it should be good. And do you know what? I was literally just on the phone to my friend, and I was saying that it kind of feels good to be out and about and to be doing like these kind of like influencer things again. It was so nice to see some of the girls, and I haven't seen them in ages. That was really nice, and it kind of like gave me like the pep in my step that I need to be really like in my groove again. I don't know, I just felt like I've been on and off my groove, and a lot of it has just been down to like how I've been feeling. And actually September, like coming into this month, has also been really weird for me because it's like I'm getting closer to October, and I can't believe that in the blink of an eye it's almost a year since my dad passed away. So I'm just holding a lot of emotion. I'm extra emotional. Everything feels a little bit like, not harder, but if I'm feeling joy, the joy is like on like 1,000. If I'm feeling sadness, sadness is on 1,000. Every emotion is like extra heightened. So yeah, anyway, let's go.
You know a nigga won't ya, won't ya? Put me on that close up, money. Let a nigga launch ya. Shorty got a bad little body, shorty looking like me. You know it in your conscience that you want me. You know a nigga won't ya, won't ya? Put me on that close up, money. Let a nigga launch ya. Nobody sure looking like me. You know it in your conscience that you want me. You know a nigga won't ya, won't ya? Put me on that close up, mommy. Let a nigga launch ya.
So I'm back in the car, and this is what my hair looks like. I think they got some footage for me already, but guys, I'm gonna be so honest. As you guys may know, I don't know if you guys know. Anyway, basically, I haven't been to the salon in like a million years. I can't remember if I already said this to you, but I really enjoyed someone. Yeah, sorry guys. So my camera died, but I can't remember what I was saying. But I also realized that all my vlogs end really abruptly. Like every single one of them. So I figured I'd come on and show you guys another final look at the hair, and basically say thank you for joining me on this day of being out of my house, which feels like something I haven't done in a really long time. So I'm gonna be vlogging more. I said I was gonna vlog more at the beginning of this year. It's now like the year's really finished, but it's okay, we go again.